Did you miss the rally? All of the people that believed, all of the fearmongers in CNBC 2 weeks ago, even last week Monday, telling people sell, 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 it's going to the bottom. All of those people right now are just barely starting to wake up. They're rubbing their eyes, they're coming out of hibernation like a bear does, and they're saying, wait a minute, the S&P 500 is up more than 7% from the lows. What the heck just happened? Oh my gosh. And what is going to happen all over again, like I have shared with you for the last week? All of these people, when they believe it, seeing is believing, they're going to buy back into this stock market. They're going to push it up even higher. And unfortunately for them, they're going to have to buy back in at higher prices. Now, as I will share with you in a minute, I do think there is a possibility that in the very near term, we could get a little bit of a pullback, but that could be it. What do you think happens? Please leave me a comment, like this video, and follow for more. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. The S&P 500 today tearing higher, that's wonderful. So far making unconfirmed breakouts above 6,636 and 6,696, but now is the real test for this rally and for the stock market. Like I have been sharing for a week, when we get to short-term underlying stock market mood swings at exuberance, short-term now, at exuberance, what happens every time? It snaps back. So which one happens right now, tomorrow, the next day, the next day? Does the stock market generally chop sideways and burn off that exuberance and then make the next leg higher in the market? Or does the dead cat bounce start now, and as we burn off that exuberance, does it result in a bunch of selling? I don't know which two will happen, but for the people, the bears just now waking up out of that fearful hibernation, the possibility exists that we could get a little bit of a sell-off here, and you could get some lower prices if you weren't buying earlier when I was sharing with you that I was buying. I think all in all, this whole rally could be huge, could be a rip-roaring rally, and we could all only be somewhere in the beginning of it. Generally, most people are still really fearful right now, and it leaves a lot of room in the medium term and the longer term to become much happier and possibly even exuberance. I think this could only be the beginning of the rally. Again, could get a little bit of pullback, but big picture, this is only the beginning. For anyone not yet short crude oil, I think there is still time to go short. Now, it's not as good as it was yesterday, and I am very happy, and my subscribers are very happy with their short trades, but I think there could still be a lot of downside in crude oil. I get it. There is still items, geopolitical items up in the air. I understand that, but I think the top could be in with oil. I do not think it's too late to short oil. The 10-year yield is off of the low of the morning, but down nicely. And remember, lower yields mean bond fund prices rise. I do kind of think personally it could generally be too late to enter a new long bond fund position. If you wanted to enter one now, just be very careful with it and watch it closely. Again, I am very much loving my long bond trade fund. Congrats if you're in it with me. I don't think right now is the greatest time in the last couple weeks to buy gold, but all in all, I do think, and I can be wrong, that gold generally heads higher. So if you miss the gold trade, my clients are very happy with the gold trade. If you miss the gold trade, if you decide to get in now, maybe just have a stop on that. Maybe set a stop there at 4,584 on gold. If, again, you miss this trade. Bitcoin, as of about 1:30 Eastern time, flat, fractionally down on the day. I'm not currently in a Bitcoin trade. I do think the next Bitcoin trade could be to short Bitcoin, which the moment I do, my members will know. If you would like me to manage your portfolio through times like these, comment manage. If you would like to receive all of those real-time stock trades, comment trades.